Welcome back, everybody. Another Jimmy's and Sooks South Florida crabbing trip. This is Brad. Let's see what happens today. So we have 5 crab pots out here. Baited them up with chicken. Baited them really heavy too. And I've let them sit out here for about 3 days. So we'll give this a go. I'm pulling up on the first one now. I'm hoping for at least a couple dozen, but we'll see, you know. All right. We're on the North Fork again of the St. Lucie River. I'm excited because I'm going to be going to a couple different places here really soon. One place being Venice, Florida. No idea what to expect there, just to try it out. And then another place up on the St. Johns River, you know, kind of by like Palatka. So those videos will hopefully be coming out soon. You know, it'll be the first time I've ever done anything there, so who knows what to expect, but we'll give it a go. Here comes the first one. Sorry for the wind. Go ahead and pull these out of the water. Pull these out of the water today. Been out here for a couple weeks. Kind of crabbed out. Shaky. All right, this one here is probably tucked in around, you know, 12 feet. No, actually, I'd say about 10 feet deep. So we got some crabs. We got some big crabs. Maybe one of the biggest ones of the season. Oh, boy. Heavy. All right. So this big monster here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crabs total. And there's a couple just, you know, good sized crab. That right there is one. That right there is definitely going to be about 8 inches. So we'll see. Probably measure it. But 7 crabs, a couple rusty bottoms. You know, on the undersides, a little bit more of a rust color. These are all Jimmy's, which means that they're males, and that means that they're keepable. So yeah, good pull. 7 on this first one and a couple monsters. I mean, 2 of them in there that are just real big. So let's get these emptied out and on to the next one. Welcome back to Jimmy's and Sooks. Okay, first crab pot was great. I mean, that's solid. You didn't get a couple, you know, or you didn't get a dozen, but you got a couple really big, good crabs. So, gotta love that. 7 on that first pull. Check this one out. This is in a typical spot that I usually use, but just on the other side of the river. So, we'll see if it works to our benefit. Maybe see a little deeper water on this side. Well, another good crab pot. Let's get this crab bait out with chicken. Really, it's just the bones. Get that out of there. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total down here. Again, just as a reminder, this is the proper way to set the crab trap with the funnels on the bottom, bait on the bottom. So anyway, we'll drop these 8 in the bucket and move on to the next one. So far so good. So far so good. Got 15. They've been really good size. I mean, I'm sitting at like half a bucket on 2 traps. So we'll see how this one does. Not hardly anything, just 1. Wow. Bad choice, huh? Bad choice. Wow. Not not a good pull. So just one on this. It's weird. You'll never know why. I'll never know why sometimes this one's hot. I mean, I put my trap here before in the past and gotten like a dozen, you know, to my surprise. But no rhyme or reason. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. All right, one. So that brings us to 16. All right. Just had like 2 boats come flying by. Sent me on a little bit of a rock and roll adventure here. Okay, so this one, let's see how we do. This is one of the last ones. So far, so good. This is on a 3-day soak chicken. Bait out. Here comes a jet ski. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crabs. 7 crabs total. That's not bad. Didn't land a 7s, but take it. Alright, we're here at the last one. This one always does pretty good. So let's see what happens this time. Always pretty good. Okay, here we go. Got about 2 dozen so far. So hopefully this is good. Oh yeah. Doesn't look great, but I see that rusty crab right there. I mean, that's crazy rusty. Look at that. And that's as dark as it gets right there. You'd assume that'd be a really full crab, because that's what that means. It's like, you know, they're due to shed and they're full of meat. All right, let's dump these. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got a half dozen. Not bad at all. I'll take that. So let me get these dumped and we'll close it out. A couple of them got to go back. One for sure. Anyway, all right. Well, I would say we had a really good day. 5 crab pots. Most of them had about a half dozen at least. Just that one only had the one, but you know, great day, beautiful weather, a little hot but breezy. Got some fish jumping behind me. I guess we finished with maybe like 30, about 30 crabs, so not bad for 5 crab pots. We're here on the North Fork of the St. Lucie River, trying out some new spots, so stay with me. Post this video, and the next time you see me, hopefully I'll be crabbing out of Palatka or Venice Beach. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Keep watching the videos. I appreciate it, and I love doing it, so we're gonna keep on doing this. All right, everybody, we'll see y'all next time. Get crabbing, all right?